I'm going to ask my AI agent a question about my documents. Let's see how it responds. Can you get the name of the research documents I worked on 2 weeks ago? Let's see what happens here. It's getting the current time to basically ground it in the current moment. Then it's just running a Chroma query. And yes, yeah. So here you have it, very clean and accurate response. This is actually a document that I was viewing about 2 weeks ago, and I stored in my RAG pipeline. And then it can also give me the date when I actually stored or last worked with this document. What you've just seen is my AI agent answering my question using my own personal context. Basically, the setup is a RAG pipeline, takes or ingests my documents, and then I'm using an MCP server, which gives my agent the tools it needs to be able to work with my documents.